Hello everyone, I'm Miao. Welcome to Miao's Survival Chinese. It's a mini-series under Miao's life where you will learn some real useful Chinese words to survive in your next adventure in China. Now imagine you are taking a taxi. You want the driver to make some adjustment. How do you see that? So today, let's learn some words when you in taxi. Of course, I'm in my car, but the moment when you get in the taxi, you will say hello, 你好, 你好. Everyone should know that, right? 你好 means hello. And then there is a very, if you want to sound like a local, you should call 师傅, 师傅. 师傅 in English mean master or skilled man, but it's a respectful way to address the driver. So you can say 你好, 师傅. It means hello, driver, but in a respectful way. 你好, 师傅. Now, if you feel the AC is too hot, you can say 空调太热了. 空调太热了. It means the AC is too hot. 可以降低温度吗? Means could you please lower the temperature? Don't worry, let's break it down. The AC air condition is 空调, 空调. And 热 means hot, hot, 热. 太热了, too hot. 空调太热了. The air condition is too hot. See, this is 空调, 空调, yeah. And if the AC is too cold, you can see 空调, 空调太冷了. Too cold, 冷 means cold. If you want to increase the temperature, just say 调温度高一点, 高一点. 高 means increase. 温度高一点. 温度 temperature. Now let's see the car window. The car window. If you want to open the window, you can see 开窗户. 窗户 window, window. 开 means open. So 开窗户, 开窗户. And if you want to close the window, window, 窗户, close, 关, 关窗户, 关窗户. So car window, 窗户, 开 open, 开, 开窗户. And close means 关, 关窗户, 关窗户. And if you want the driver to drive fast, you can say 开快点. The same 开 开 also means drive. Yeah, 开快点. You know the Beijing local, we always say sentence with 点, 开快点 means please drive fast. But now we cannot drive very fast because we are catching a traffic jam. 开快点, 开快点. Drive faster. Yeah, 开快点. And on the contrary, you can see 开慢点. 开慢点. You can say 开慢点. 开 also means drive. And 慢点 means slower, slower. 开慢点. Yeah. 开慢点 means drive slower. And if you don't feel very well in the car, you can say 我晕车. 晕车 means carsick, carsick. 我晕车. I'm carsick. And when you don't feel very well, and you might be want the driver to slow down, so you can say 师傅, remember 师傅 the driver, 师傅开慢点 slow down please. 我晕车 I'm carsick. 师傅开慢点我晕车. And if you want to challenge yourself, want to chat with the driver, maybe start with what's the brand of the car. So you can say car, 车 car. What brand of your car? 你的车什么牌子？牌子 means brand. You know, BYD, Tesla, which brands of your car? So 什么牌子？什么牌子？你的车什么牌子？ It means, which brand of your car. You know, we have a lot of local brands, very popular. So maybe you are curious about the brand, the Chinese brand of the car. So, 你的车什么牌子？什么牌子？牌子 means brand. In China, you will see two different kind of license plates. One is the blue one. Blue one means the gas car. And the green one, the green plate, it means the EV car. So if you are curious about what kind of this car, you can ask, is this a EV car or a gas car or a petrol car? So EV in Chinese, 新能源, 新能源. 新能源 means electric vehicle, 新能源. And 油车 is with Chinese, 油车 means gas car or petrol car. Yeah, 油车. See? That's the green one, the blue one, different kind. So, in front of my car, this is 油车. 油车 means gas car. And my car is EV car, 新能源. The last two words, if you arrive at your destination, you can say 停这里. The most useful phrase, 停这里. Stop here. 停 stop. And 这里 here. 这里 停这里. Stop here. 停这里. And if you want to get off, you can say 我要下车. I want to get off. 下车. 我要下车. I want to get off. 我要下车. Okay, finally, don't forget to say thank you, 谢谢, thank you, 谢谢. Okay, that's all the words. Okay, now let's review what we learned today. Driver, 师傅. AC is too hot. 空调太热了. AC is too cold. 空调太冷了. Temperature a little higher. 空调高点. Open the window. 开窗户. Drive faster. 开快点. Drive slower. 开慢点. I'm carsick. 我晕车. Petrol car, EV car. 油车, 电车. Stop here. 停这里. I want to get off. 我要下车. Okay, that's it for today's episode of Miao's Survival Chinese. And I hope it will help you when you travel around China and Beijing. Okay, see you in next episode. And remember to practice more. Bye bye.